And he also is making breakfast. How sweet of you to be making breakfast. You making breakfast?
Yeah.
Hi fams. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm giving you guys sleep face this morning. Sleep face because your girl just got up. Okay, just got up at almost midday. Babe was so nice to make me sleep in today, right? And you miss me, you miss me, you miss me. You miss mama? You miss mama? And as you see me run, come in my arms. But you guys, this house is smelling good because my wonderful husband is in the kitchen making breakfast. So I sleep in and he also is making breakfast. How sweet of you to be making breakfast. You making breakfast?
Yeah.
He's making pancake, you guys, and they look so good. So good. Oh my god, you guys, I am so tired, but I'm about to go enjoy hubby's breakfast and then we'll chat later. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today, in USA they would say she have a big booty. In other places they may say she have a big bum. In Jamaica, what we say, babe?
Big body girl.
Yeah. Yes, honey.
And she said, real big body girl.
Yes. So, the expression for today is big body girl. When you see a woman have a big ass, we don't say booty, we don't say bump, we say batty. Yes? So the expression for today, so when you see a girl in English or in USA, they probably say she have a nice booty, she have a big booty. No, in Jamaica we say a girl the body biggie. So big body girl, that's the expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. I'm going to go enjoy babe's wonderful pancakes. Okay, yes, I'm having pancakes. I'm gonna enjoy babe pancake and we catch up with you guys later. It's on your eye. Tyler is done for a nap, which means it's a perfect time for me to get my weekly bathroom cleaning done. So let's go. bathroom cleaning weekly routine. Okay, and your girl is tired now. I'm so tired. Already the kitchen, and I still have our bedroom to do, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna rest, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, later.
Hi guys, welcome to Mel's Kitchen, episode number 29. This is onions and sweet peppers and stripped chicken. Yeah, naked chicken, you heard it well. True. The chicken don't have any skin. It's naked.
You idiot. It's liver, it's not strip chicken.
His liver is from what?
The chicken.
Right, so it's chicken. Bernie, you're gonna do a cake after?
I wanted to today.
I was sleeping and I say, hopefully when I wake up, I wake up with a cake. But
You were hoping. It didn't work.
it didn't work.
Dinner time, and today for dinner I am making some liver, which I'm seasoning up right here.
Okay.
You guys, if I'm laughing too much, it's because Babe is behind the camera and he's so funny. I'm seasoning up some liver because this is what I'm making for dinner tonight, the Jamaican way. And I'm going to have that like a rabbit as usual. And Babe requested some rice, and I am going to make some sweet potato for Tyler. So this is about to go down right now. Gonna sleep well, okay? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night. Good boy. Let's go to bed. So I just put down Tyler for the night, so it's officially the end of of the vlog really. So don't forget to catch up with the Jamaican phrase for today. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. If it's not your first time, thanks for always coming back as usual. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.